In a city where crime lurks in the shadows, one notorious figure stood out not just for his criminal deeds, but for his brazen sense of entitlement. This is the story of the arrest of the entitled gangster, a figure whose notoriety reached far beyond the underworld. From his lavish lifestyle to his audacious crimes, he seemed untouchable, until the long arm of the law finally caught up with him. Join us as we delve into the dramatic events leading to his capture and the unraveling of his empire. On January 24, 2024, officers responded to a library disturbance caused by a man previously banned from the premises. Upon their arrival, they encountered the man, who appeared highly intoxicated and was causing significant disruption.
Then you're gonna get arrested. Then you're gonna get.
I don't give a fuck. I go to. Problem with me for no reason.
He doesn't want you back in.
Well, guess what? He's gonna get fired anyways. Guess what? This is gonna be the 13th complaint I'm at.
Well, that's fine. No.
I got your way.
Given the man's aggressive behavior and physical resistance, the officer had no choice but to arrest him. While being handcuffed, he resisted vehemently, continuing to hurl abuse and attempting to physically assault the officers.
Not if you're disturbing the public by laying.
What the talk to me? You don't know the law.
Oh yeah.
30 ass cops. All y'all 30 ass.
Yeah. But you like coming back.
You know what I do? I know I do because I run this shit.
Okay.
Police don't got shit on me.
Don't step on me.
Niggas don't even touch me.
Don't step up to me.
Don't even
Back
touch
up.
me then.
Back up. Back up. Back up.
Don't even touch me.
Back up. Back up, or I'm gonna touch you.
Touch me, see what happens.
Back up.
The only thing that's gonna happen is you get arrested.
For what? Nothing. For nothing.
Unclench your fist.
Make me. Make
Act
me.
like an adult.
Make me. Come
Act
on.
like an adult.
Come on, I'm ready. I'm ready to go. I will knock both of y'all out.
Never happened.
Yes, it will.
Back up.
You want to see?
Act like a man.
You want to see?
Act like a man. Quit causing a disturbance.
Oh,
Very intelligent answer.
I don't have to respect
Put
your
hand
ass. Little yes. Y'all think you're a big bad tough, but you guys got beds. I ain't shit. You're just like me.
No.
Yeah, you are.
No.
Deep down, I know you got a mindset in you.
Back up.
I'm walking this way. I can go through this way. I can
Walk
walk
around
through.
me. You're not walking through me.
I can.
Walk around.
I can.
Walk around.
I can. I don't have to walk around for shit.
Quit being a clown.
You being a kind of goofy ass.
Back up.
Again, I'm going this way. I'm going this way. I'm going around your ass. Goofy. I'm not even doing shit. I'm trying to tell you, bro. I didn't do shit.
Behind your back.
I didn't do shit.
Eventually, the officers managed to subdue him, placing him into the police vehicle to be transported to the police station.
Well, you couldn't act like a human being.
Yes, I was, bro. Everybody had feelings, bro. This is uncalled for.
You know what's uncalled for? Your behavior. Knock it off.
I was walking away from you. Are you for real?
Knock it off.
Come on, bro. This is totally good time. Hey, I didn't even do shit.
He hasn't been searched.
I didn't even do shit, officer. I was walking past the gentleman that's trying to grab me.
Video.
I was walking past you, grab me. Get this shit away from me. I'm walking past his ass and he threw me.
You got any needles on you, dude?
No.
Just making sure.
I was walking past his ass.
Yeah, please.
Oh my God. And guess what? I brought him in and told him to arrest me for the night. Come on, bro.
Can you check this?
You're some goofy, bro. Officer, I swear to God, I was walking past this man. He grabbed me for no reason. He told me was walk around him, so I was walking around him.
Is that his?
I think he grabbed me, so I tried to jerk him away. Don't take my bag, bro. Don't do that shit.
You're in custody.
For what?
Let me cut it off.
During the transport, the man's aggressive behavior did not subside. Upon arrival at the station, he became even more hostile, making the situation increasingly difficult for the officers handling his case.
That's it. When I was walking past, I said, bro, I'm walking around you, bro. Leave me the phone. I'm gonna cross the street and they followed me. That's my check is police harassment. I told them to leave me the phone, and they didn't want to do that. So I was trying to walk around him, and he grabbed me and threw me out in that window. He threw me into the window, then told me I lunged at him and tried fighting him. I put down my grandma's. Some of y'all really crooked as bro. I have no need to lie. I walked past and he grabbed me, so I jerked away from him. Cause I told him I'm going around you. And then he grabbed me and threw me against the window. I didn't even lunge at his ass like he's saying I did. That's some petty ass shit, y'all. No, what's wrong with y'all? You guys go by last names and judge by the motherfucker by his last name. Yes, they do. Especially that cop. He knows my family, bro. Y'all guys supposed to serve and protect. He's not serving and protecting at all. They told me go somewhere else, so I was going to go around them to go somewhere else. Then that's when he grabbed me and threw me against the window and told me I was trying to fight him. I got no need to lie. I swear to God, you can put me on a whole lie detector.
Oh, come on.
Bro, my boots are slippery. I slipped.
Come on.
Look, I can't even get up.
Stand up then. Come on.
I look again, bro. Look, I'm slipping.
Go inside. We're not playing these games.
It's all right. You guys using this one? I'll take it. Oh, no, this one's busy too. Okay.
At the police station, officers conducted a further investigation into the incident, documenting his behavior and gathering evidence to support the charges. Moving towards another disturbing case. On January 16, 2023, a police officer conducted a traffic stop on a man driving recklessly. Upon approaching the vehicle, the officer encountered an extremely intoxicated man. The man's erratic behavior and intoxicated state were immediately apparent, posing a significant challenge for the officer in managing the situation safely and effectively.
Hey, how you doing, sir? I'm Officer Summers, Bloomington Police. Got a body camera. Hey, back there, you ran over the curb?
Yeah, I did.
I just want to make sure you weren't intoxicated.
I've been doing that all the time.
Oh, hitting the curb?
Hell yeah.
What for?
My rights are horrible.
Oh, all right, I got
This
you.
is where we stay.
Oh, this is your place? All right, cool. You got driver's license insurance on you, bud?
I haven't got my license on me right
You
now.
got an ID or anything with your name on or anything like that?
He persistently used abusive language and offensive words against the officer, questioning the legitimacy of the stop and refusing to comply with any instructions.
That's fine, and you got it on your lap as well.
Sorry.
All right, well, I'm going to search the car.
No, you're not.
Hey,
My
keep
car.
your hands up here.
I don't even have the keys.
Don't put your hands in your pocket.
All right.
I told you once.
All right.
I'm not going to tell you again. Now I'm going to tell you one more time to step out of the vehicle. Cooperate with me, or we don't want to have any issues, right?
You guys have no
I
authority.
already told you why. There's weed all over your lap.
I had it.
All right, listen here.
No, it's legalized.
I'm not going to ask you another time.
It's legalized. You can't search my car.
I can't search your car.
No, you can't.
I am going to search your
No,
car.
you're not.
You're going to step out of the car, you're going to get arrested for resisting.
Really?
Do you want to step out of the car, or do you want to get arrested for resisting? It's up to you. Go ahead and step out for me.
Can I make a call?
No, sir.
phone call.
Right now, you're going to be under arrest. So step out of the car. You're going to be under arrest for resisting unless you step out of the car right now. It's the last time I ask. Do you have any weapons or knives on you?
No, sir. I'm going.
All right. Leave your hands where I can see them. Don't reach into your waistband. Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
All right. Turn around. Put your hands in the car. Put your hands behind your back. No, you cannot have a drink right now.
Why?
Because you're doing other things. Yes. What do you have in the car illegal besides weed? Well, obviously there's something the way you're acting. I am searching it. I told you why. Why are you so freaking out about me searching your car?
Because you're not.
I am searching your car. I told you why. It's not.
As the officer attempted to remove him, the man began to physically resist, intensifying the situation. He continued to use abusive language and even attempted to batter the officer, making the arrest process more challenging.
I searched the car.
Sir, what do you got in the car, bud?
Nothing, dude.
Okay, you got- listen.
In the weed.
Look, right here.
Yeah, I
Shake, shake,
That's
shake,
just
shake,
a little
shake.
sprinkles, and
And
it's
there's a nug
legal.
sitting there on the center console.
It's
You did it.
legal.
It's still
Doesn't
illegal
matter.
to transport, just like alcohol, okay? You can't have open cannabis, just like you can't have open alcohol, okay, bud?
All right, let's go sit in my car.
Hold on. Wait, here. Let me get her a kid.
Bud, listen to what he's telling you to do.
Get on the ground. Ow, my shoulder. You stuck me in my face.
Hey,
No,
make sure we didn't drop you.
Your legs work.
No, you're hurting my shoulder.
Stand up.
This is ridiculous.
Ow, my shoulder.
It's got nothing to do with your legs, bud. Stand up.
Hey, here's what I want.
Stand up.
Walk
Stand
forward.
Oh, yeah, keep on my beard. No, my shoulder's dying. You hurt my shoulder.
Just stand up and walk, bro.
My arm.
You should have thought about that before you ran.
No, you guys hurt me.
No, dude, you ran from
You
us.
ran in handcuffs
You fell
and
with
fell
no
on the ground.
handcuffs on.
Because you guys not listen to me. You guys cannot search the car.
Yes.
It
We're
does
going
not
to.
matter. We're going to search the
No,
car.
you're not. You guys are being illegal.
No, it's not. You can't transport.
Later, the man was presented in court to face multiple charges. These charges included resisting arrest, battery on officer, public intoxication, driving under the influence, and possession of drugs. Each charge carried significant legal implications, reflecting the seriousness of his actions during the traffic stop and subsequent arrest. Now I'm going to discuss the major case that shake your skull. On April 20th, 2022, two police officers responded to a call about a disturbance in a neighborhood. The report indicated that a woman had thrown a brick through a window during a fight.
No, bro, I don't know.
I'm not your bro. We've been
I
over this.
apologize.
It's always something with you, Allah.
Yeah, it can always be something.
Can you turn your windshield wipers on?
I'm
you're
gonna go
fine.
out, buddy.
Can you stop? Get in the car, Allah.
Yeah.
Get in the car. Shut up and get in the car, Allah.
Like, bro, everyone
Shut
thinks
your
this
door.
shit is a joke,
Shut
bro.
your car
Everyone
door.
thinks this shit is a joke, bro.
Is your car in park? Can you just wait here for a minute? I'll come back and talk to you when you calm down.
When the police officers initiated their investigation, they found the woman to be extremely intoxicated. She was uncooperative and appeared intent on evading the officers. Despite repeated requests for her cooperation, she steadfastly refused, resorting to verbal abuse and questioning the officers' actions.
What am I waiting here for?
They know. They know. Because right now I'm investigating a possible crime where you broke a window. So you are not free to go.
Okay, so
And it is a courtesy I have not put you in handcuffs while I investigate this.
okay, well, what you want to put me in handcuffs? Like, is that what you're saying?
Oh, why are you always such a
Because, like, why am I still sitting here?
I just
I
explained
don't
it
care.
to you!
The
You want to
fuck?
get loud?
I don't
I'll
care.
get
I
loud!
don't care about none of that shit. I'm used to that shit. I don't
No
care.
shit you're used
Yes,
to.
I don't
Because
care.
you can't stay out of trouble.
I don't care.
You think you got it all figured
I
out?
don't care. I know I don't. It's the difference. I know
Get
I
out of the car.
don't.
Get out of the car. I'll get out of the car. I'm dragging
What
you
am
out
I
of the
getting
car.
out the car for?
Because you're under arrest.
Are you being serious right
I'm
now?
100% serious.
Can I at least call my family
No.
and tell them?
You can call them when you're booked in.
Are you being serious
Let's
right
go.
now?
Let's go.
You're being serious right
Yes,
now?
get out of the
What
car.
am I- okay, yes, sir, but what
Get
am I-
out of the car. I'm dragging you out of the car.
Hold on, take my wallet. Please make sure it gets to my house safe. That has all my money. Yes, can you please make sure my stuff gets to it safe right here?
Let's go. Nope, give me your phone.
Go ahead, get off of me. Take this shit. Get off of me. Like, damn, huh? Oh, don't drag me. I'm a girl now, like, bro.
Stop.
No, bro.
Stop.
No, bro. It doesn't matter.
Knock it
no,
off.
I'm pregnant. Y'all doing that weird ass shit. Like, get off of me. Get off of me. Get off of me. Like, get off of me, really.
Stop.
Like, I'm pregnant as f***.
Then stop fighting us. Now.
Due to her refusal to cooperate and her increasingly aggressive behavior, the officers decided to take her into custody. During the arrest, She resisted and continued to verbally abuse the officers. Following the incident, she was taken to court where she faced multiple charges, including battery on an officer, resisting arrest, and property damage. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you all liked it. Feel free to share your thoughts in comment section. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you will never miss any episode of our enthralling series.